Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to stop Microsoft Edge from running in background, so your system runs smoother and uses fewer resources. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Microsoft Edge on your computer by clicking its icon on the desktop or taskbar. This is the web browser developed by Microsoft, and it needs to be opened first so we can access its internal settings. Make sure the browser window is fully loaded before moving to the next step. Step 2. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window to open the menu. From the drop-down list, select Settings, which is where you control how the browser behaves. This section allows you to customize performance, privacy, and startup options. Step 3. On the left sidebar inside Settings, click on System and Performance. This area manages how Microsoft Edge works with your system resources and background processes. It is important because it contains the options that control whether Edge keeps running after you close it. Step 4. Look for the option called Startup Boost and toggle it off. Startup Boost allows Edge to preload certain processes when you log into Windows, which can use memory even if you are not actively browsing. Turning this off prevents Edge from launching background services automatically at startup. Step 5. Find Continue Running Background Extensions and Apps when Microsoft Edge is closed and toggle it off as well. This setting allows Edge to keep extensions and apps active even after you click the X button. Disabling it ensures that all Edge processes fully stop when you close the browser. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech guides.